सो नमस्कार लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम बैक टू चैनल। आज की वीडियो में बेसिकली हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं वरंदा घाट। सो बेसिकली राइट नाउ आई एम स्टॉपिंग मे बी 5 to 10 kilometers ahead of Bhor towards the side of Mahad. And yes, Ghat is so beautiful. Yesterday only I came and I thought to cover this right now, and I have covered this in I think one of the last video, but at that time it was summers, so that's not the perfect time to cover that one. So in the monsoons the Ghat is literally so beautiful. And talking about the road, like basically from both side the road is little bit, like some patches are little bit bad. I think till Devgarh Dam, and after that the road is quite good, and there's one bigger bridge in between that. So till that bridge you might find little bad patches, but after that patch road is so good. So yeah, we'll see that in today's video. So let's start. So guys, while en route to the Varandha Ghat, this could be your first stop. You can admire the beautiful scenery over here. This is basically the Devgarh Dam, and yes, you can spend few of your time, minutes, might be half an hour here and just relax over here. But just to be cautious that do not spread such kind of garbage here. So earlier it used to be a very clean and very beautiful place, but people started littering here, and you can see. So guys, please, it's request, do not litter. So guys, till now you might have found, and I have covered some of the bad patches are there in this road, but going ahead the road is now good, like it is better than previous, and yes, we'll still might get some bad patches, but those are very less. And after I'll show the one bridge. After that bridge the road is totally good. So let's continue it. So this is the backwater of the Devgarh Dam, which were just been there. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. You can see. It's so peaceful out here. My God, look at this beauty and this nature's beauty. So let's click some photos and videos for the reels. You can always check them on my Instagram handle. I will leave the Instagram handle in the description, so just go and follow me there to check out the beautiful pictures and the reels. Isn't this so beautiful? Unfortunately, rain also stopped, and yeah, we are able to enjoy the view. So let's continue ahead. So this backwater is accompanying us through this ghat. So earlier that hotels was not used to be there. So at that time you were actually able to capture this whole panoramic view. So basically it flows like this, and at that point it used to give a very beautiful viewpoint. And here you go. So from this point onwards, road is so much good. So people, ready to see? Oh my god, this is one of the best point of this Varandha Ghat. I don't know whether camera is able to justify this spot or not, or sorry, the beauty of this spot or not, but yeah, it is basically very, very beautiful. So you will get so many beautiful places in this ghat like this. These mighty mountains, this forest, this dam backwater is phenomenal, and this is the Western Ghats basically. And these curvy roads are adding the flavor to it. Basically, if you're a rider, then you know how riders love the curvy roads, but yes, with that you should always be cautious, because you can see these are the blind turns. So if you're coming here and if you are new to this road, please be careful, go slow through the curves, because the road is bigger but not that much bigger, because as you go fast, might be the other rider or other driver might be in hurry. So So yeah, for yourself, be precautious and enjoy this beauty. Chalo, then let's continue the journey ahead. See, this was what I was talking about. He was coming right towards, it's almost in the wrong direction. And for sure that this curves will hurt you. So once you reach to this point, like there's a board of where to kill a Mohan Ghat. So after this point we start to climb the ghat upwards. Now dam backwater was with us till this place. After this we're climbing and we will be only with the mountains now. So why did I stop here? Because there's a waterfall out here. It used to be way more beautiful than this, but the tragedy happened last year during this waterfall. See this gravel, man. So we are almost at the top point of this Varandha Ghat. So basically it comes somewhere at that route, at that point, and from this point we'll start descending down. So yes, sorry for this messy hairs. We are here at one of the spots and you can see the beauty of here. So that is there actually the Wagzai Mata Mandir, and there Kawaya Fort you can see there itself. And down there in the last video we covered Shivtar Ghai, that is located there. As our DJI's battery has gone down, we have to vlog the remaining part with the mobile itself, and yeah, let's continue. So we are traveling through the Varandha Ghat, and how could we miss this beautiful view of Majere waterfall? Here, this is beautiful view, and there are the idiots which are ruining this place there. But guys, please don't litter on such beautiful places, okay? Chalo, then let's go ahead. So here we are at the Varandha Mandir place. It's a Varandha Ghat valley here, and be careful, there are a lot of monkeys here. They might snatch things from your hands. Mostly the food kind of things. And there is that place Shivtargade where we visited last time. This place is so heavenly, man. What a beautiful valley. And I can see that mighty waterfall out there. Here, I think I will zoom it. Yeah, let's see that. How bigger it is. So this is a place where you enter from Pune district to the Raigad district. So from here we start descending down towards the Raigad district, and yes, now it's little bit, not little bit, it's too much sunny out here, and I think we should end this video here. And you know the drill. If you love the content, you can share it with your friends and family, and yes, you can like the video too. Also comment down below your suggestions if there are any, and yeah, I'll suggest you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe, because as from the channel analytics I can see there are many viewers who are not subscribed to the channel. Then please support the channel and subscribe to it. Let's end this video here, and let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.